good looking El Camino, unique, especially in classics. It's a 1964 Chevrolet El Camino, two-door custom. 350 V8 underneath the hood. Nicely equipped too, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. 4-speed manual transmission paired up with that V8. Let's take a look at the front chrome. Grille, headlight surrounds, bright work. Looks good in the front of this car. Silver exterior, black interior, bucket seats. Take a look at all the still pictures. You'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. It's going to take you right there, and of course you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the 5-spoke torque thrust style wheels. Looks like American Racing. Radial tires. Approximately 3,000 miles on this since the restoration was finished. And take a look down the passenger side, how nice and straight it is. You can see the paint shows well. Not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. Not noticed anything real major. Interior also been redone. Nice console. Cup holders. Under dash unit for the AC. We'll get around to the driver's side. Start that up. Let you hear it run. Take a little closer look at the interior. Again, look at those long panels. Nice and straight they are. Also some extra bright work, or so it looks like. Boxes and bright work will go along with this. We'll include that in with the vehicle. Put it in the bed of it. Has this nice tonneau cover back here. Let me show you this. I did leave it unlatched so I can open it up easy enough to show you. It's a nice setup. You want to take extra long chairs, or maybe you're taking a little trip or going to some shows. Nice storage back here, full-size spare. Car cover. Some other extras that will go with this too. Close that back up. Take a look at the tailgate, the rear chrome. Dual exhaust. A little bit of pitting on the top of that bumper, but still shows well. Be a great car for those local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows, or one do a little traveling, go down the road with this one. Fun car. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract also. As you look down the driver's side again, you can see how nice and straight those panels are. And remember, we have an open door policy. Third-party inspectors, maybe you can't make it yourself due to time or distance. Want somebody to take a look at it for you, not a problem. Try to represent them as fairly as we can with the walk-around videos and all the pictures that are taken. And of course, at the very end, there'll be a driving video. Kind of see how this car goes down the road. Kind of take a virtual ride in it, if you will. Seat belts up front. You can see aftermarket, nice bucket seats, black vinyl, Grant GT steering wheel. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Tachometer has been added to that center gauge. Again, 350 V8. That's paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission down here. Aftermarket stereo added. That is working. Again, AC blows cold. Controls for it right there. Little aftermarket gauge cluster. Oil pressure, voltmeter, and water temp. That was a cold start, so I won't expect that water temp to be up. Here's the gas gauge is working also. Nice setup in the interior. Headliner, also good shape. Door closes nicely. A little rumble coming out of that V8. Sounds good. This car will turn some heads. The way it looks and the way it sounds. Let's see, I'm going to pause this 1 second. Let me get this hood open. Check out the engine bay, and then remember, stick around to the end of the video. to say what this car is like going down the road. There's a look at the underside of the hood. Nice and clean. Good looking engine bay. Look at this. There's that 350. Edelbrock intake manifold. Edelbrock quarter barrel on there. Looks like MSD ignition. Again, power steering, power brakes, AC, some nice chrome dress up on the engine with valve covers. Master cylinder lid. Alternator. Again, AC, does glow cold. Good setup, battery disconnect over here too, if one's in storage or in between drives. Nice smooth runner too. Sounds good. Engine bay looks good. There you go. 1964 Chevrolet El Camino. Approximately 3,000 miles on it since restoration was completed. Check out all the still pictures. You'll see the underside, interior, engine bay. UniqueClassicCars.com. Call us 507-386-1726. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1964 Chevrolet El Camino in silver with a black interior. We've got a Pioneer radio in the dash. This is a 4-speed on the floor. Very nice clutch, very nice shifting. And this car idled right away, quickly and easily. Lots of good power from this engine. Nice easy shifts. Oil pressure down below the dash showing about 70 psi. The volts are 14.5 and the water temperature is near 190. Our speedometer is bouncy, so it's kind of showing about 20 right now, what we're doing about 50. However, the tachometer works well. That is a SunPro mounted behind the dash. Looks like it fits really well. Fuel gauge is showing about a half of a tank. We have a blower motor that works very well. Aftermarket, likely AC. However, it's a little chilly out to check that right now. Brakes are working really well. This is a very nice looking car. Paint's in good shape. Interior looks nice. Bucket seats are new looking, they're replacements. You gotta watch out for those drivers. Sounds like 4 barrels opening up when you get on the throttle. Very fun car to drive. Easy to steer. The steering wheel looks cocked to the left a little bit. That doesn't affect performance though. And if you let go of the wheel, this car stays perfectly straight. Don't see that many 64 El Caminos in a nice condition of this one in silver paint. Is even less easy to find. Take a look at all the pictures and read about this car at UniqueClassicCars.com.